When you cough, the air is forced out of your lungs along with thousands of tiny saliva droplets. A single cough expels more than 3,000 droplets. They fly out of your mouth at a speed of 50 miles per hour. So please, cover your mouth. Hearing is your fastest sense. Your brain needs just 0.05 seconds to recognize a sound. It's 10 times faster than you blink. Ravens can learn to talk better than parrots. They also imitate other sounds and noises, including animal calls or car engines.